leave it there.
Surprised. It's in the mailbox. Now let me get this door open. Okay, here we go. Sorry about the messy table. But here it is. A Hoover smoke alarm. That's right. The vacuum people. With brand new. Sealed in box. I guess not sealed because the lid just came up. Made in Canada. There's actually a design patent for it. You're not seeing it, sorry. There it is. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, the horn's loose. It's a big old piezo horn now. Looks like a decon type sensor there. Let's see if we can figure out how to. Yeah, it came loose there. With the connector. Let's see, there's no indicator. There's your test button. Yeah, that's a pretty big horn. Wonder how loud it's gonna be. A little sticker there. Here's the back. Nothing. I think actually this is supposed to be on here. Maybe. Who knows? There's your mounting. All right, let's get a battery in it. Just got a set of Amazons. Now I have seen one similar to this. For the design, circuitry, it was my bad. Black & Decker actually, Canadian. And the cover was just, it didn't have a hole in it except for the button and then just a large round hole for the horn. I don't think that's on YouTube anymore. Dang. Anyway, there's the battery. If you watch STL Elevators videos, you'll recognize these because this is what he uses too. All right, let's see if it kind of clicks when it makes contact. I don't think you're seeing it again. Sorry. I'm on my thing, gimbal. All right, here we go. Wow, a continuous horn. That's really cool. I like this a lot. Actually, that Black & Decker made a continuous alarm too. Let's see if there's the, yep, there's the manual. Again, if you want to read, just pause. That reminds me of the illustration in GE manual. Very simplistic. Oh, there's more to it than that. There's everything. Hello. Cool. Nice manual. And here's this. This is just a mounting hole template. So once again, there's no indicator in there. There's the horn. the battery, you can see it. And there's no tab. See, there's no tab on the cover or any type of marking to indicate where to open it. It's kind of strange. But it opens pretty easily. Yeah, that's a big horn. Yeah, I think that one label's supposed to be there. There you go, folks. There's vents here, too. So it allows smoke to come in from that way. Again, similar to a decon. I wonder if this was made by Isotech Industries, because that's who the patent was granted to. The company, that is. But anyway, then this kind of reminds me of a button on like a Firex 0461, the Model A. And this, again, kind of reminds me of, well, this part at least. Actually, that's what that is used for, like if you wanted to hang it on a nail. Like that. You'll see. Oh, nail's a little too big, but that's probably what it is. If you wanted to hang it on a nail like a picture, like some of those old pyrotectors, you could. Yeah, sorry you didn't get to see much, but anyway, that kind of reminds me of how the mounting holes on the old GE EI alarms were, and I think some of their square ones today still have that. It's cool, you can kind of see the sort of the micro pebble type texture. Oh, here's the, I guess there is an arrow there. Even though, wait, it's the wrong side. Or is it? I mean, you can go either way. That sounds vulgar, but yeah, I can open either way. Cool. Here's the back of the box. Because, yeah, I thought so. This one, the cover is open this way. Of course, you're going to see that's on my eBay listing. Or not my eBay listing, but the video. I don't see any UL listing or ULC listing. It's probably on here. But yeah, that's really cool. One last test for you. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.